White and grey ball press, as a heavy equipment, safe operation should be kept in mind. After the installation of the equipment is completed, the whole machine needs to run empty for 2 to 4 hours. Check that there is no abnormal phenomenon before load test. The correct use method can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life of the white and grey ball press. How to repair and maintain the white and grey ball press? Generally speaking, in order to ensure the normal production of the white-grey ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, special personnel should be equipped with the operation, maintenance and repair of the equipment. Regularly check the following work. 1. The connection parts are firm. 2. Reduce a gear tooth surface contact. 3. Check the temperature rise of each part. Refueling on time. Replace the new oil and so on.